I was obsessed with an idea, and it wouldn't let go until I coded it. My name is Satoshi Nakamoto. You don't know me, at least not yet. But my invention will revolutionize your lives.
Hello. For some time now, people have been talking about a new currency, the Bitcoin. And then there's been talk of some kind of mystical technology, the blockchain, which would allow us to do a lot of things. I'm sure you've already watched videos on YouTube and social networks, read press articles on the subject, and, like a lot of people, you have not understood anything. In this course, we will learn together how Bitcoin and the blockchain work, at least the basics, and then we will see how to get Bitcoin and use it to buy things. Bitcoin is a new virtual currency. This illustration on the screen might make you think that Bitcoin really exists. To start, let's watch. I hope you enjoy this introduction to this new series of courses. I'll see you at the next session. Bye.